TWRP Recovery, it stands for Team Win Recovery Project. It's an open source custom recovery for the Android devices. It is helpful to install third-party firmware and backup your content. It also supports the installation of the custom kernel and the custom ROM. So hey guys, this is Jarvis, and in this video I'm gonna install TWRP Recovery in POCO X2. Let's start the video without wasting more time.
Preview.
So guys, first of all, let me show you the current Android version and the MIUI version of my POCO X2. So as you can see, my device is running on Android 11. And guys, device is POCO X2, which is Indian variant. MIUI version is MIUI 12.1.3, and guys, you need to enable developer option by tapping on MIUI number 5 times. I am now a developer. Go back and tap on additional settings, and here is the developer option. So open this, and guys, first you need to enable this OEM unlock. Tap on enable. OEM is now enabled. Tap here and tap on agree, and guys, as you can see, my device is locked yet. So tap on MI account. Guys, it shows error, but don't worry, it's normal. So go back and enable USB debugging option. And guys, make sure your MI account is more than 7 days old. If you're creating a new MI account, then you have to wait for 7 days. It's time to boot the device into the fast boot mode. So I'm gonna power off my device and boot my device into the fast boot mode by pressing volume down and power key simultaneously. My device is now boots up into the fast boot mode. Now connect your device with the PC with the help of USB cable. Let's move to the PC screen. So guys, in PC you need to download all these files. You can download these files from the description box. Now I'm gonna extract these files. All the files are now extracted. First of all, open this Xiaomi USB driver folder and right click here and tap on install. Operation completed successfully. So go back and open Mi Flash Unlock tool. Right click here and run this as administrator. In Mi Unlock tool, tap on sign in, and guys, you need to sign in your MI account which is linked with your device. My account is now connected, as you can see here. And guys, now connect your device and tap on refresh. So as you can see, here is my device and the device status is locked. So to unlock the bootloader, tap on unlock, and guys, it will format all the data from your device, so make sure you back up your data. My device is rebooted automatically, as you can see. Guys, first reboot might take quite a while, but don't worry, it's normal because we perform a factory reset. Now I'm gonna fast forward the video to make the video short. My device is now booted. Let's check device bootloader is unlocked or not. So go to settings, about phone, tap on build number to enable the developer option. Now I'm a developer. Go back, go to additional settings. Here is the developer option. Open this. And guys, as you can see, device is now unlocked. Now it's time to install the TWRP recovery. So enable USB debugging option. And now it's time to boot the device into the fast boot mode again to install TWRP recovery. My device is in fast boot mode. Connect your device with the help of USB cable with the PC. And now again move to the PC screen. So to install TWRP recovery, you need to download some other files. Here are some files. You can download these files from the description link. And guys, you need to copy this and move this file to this ADB folder. And now rename this file to twrp.img. And hit enter. Now tap here and type cmd in the address bar. It will open command prompt. Here type fastboot devices to check your device is connected or not. So as you can see, my device is connected. Now type fastboot flash recovery twrp.img. Sending recovery. Writing finished. Recovery is flashed successfully. Now reboot the device. To reboot the device into the recovery mode, type fastboot OEM space reboot - recovery and hit enter. As you can see, my device is rebooted automatically and TWRP recovery is flashed, as you can see. Now guys, I copied some files in my OTG. You can copy in your SD card. So tap on install. Tap here. And now you need to flash this disable dmverity force encryption file. File is flashed successful. So go back and reboot the device into the recovery mode. My device is now boots up into recovery mode. Now it's time to flash Orange Fox recovery. So tap here and just swipe to confirm flash. Reboot to recovery in 5, 3, 2, 1 second. Now device will reboot it again into the recovery mode, and as you can see, here is the Firefox recovery. Guys, I installed this because it automatically disable force encryption, and this is very advanced as compared to TWRP recovery. Now it's time to reboot the device into the system. Now tap here and tap on system. And guys, first reboot might take quite a while, but don't worry, it's normal. So I'm gonna fast forward the video. Device is now rebooted successfully. So guys, it's time to check TWRP recovery is permanently installed or not. So I am gonna power off my device and boot my device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up and power key simultaneously. So guys, as you can see, Orange Fox recovery is permanently installed on my device. So guys, by this way you can install any custom recovery on your Poco X2. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.